Welcome to live music. Today we're going to do a something from the 90s. So it goes like this. When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so very special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so very special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Ooh, she's running out again. Ooh, she's running out. She run. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you want. You're so very special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here. Yeah, that was Creep. Radiohead. Gotta love that one. This one is it's another kind of, I guess, breakup. That's what we're doing today. The heartbreak songs. This one's Sam Smith, and it's Too Good at Goodbyes. must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this, but I have seen this all before. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. 'Cause every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. 'Cause every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. Every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. And they say 'cause it's true, I'm good at goodbyes. I'm way too good at goodbyes. I know you're thinking I'm heartless. I know you're thinking that I'm cold. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. 'Cause every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. 'Cause every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. Every time you walk out, the less I love you. Maybe we don't stand a chance. It's sad 'cause it's true, I'm way too good at goodbyes. I'm way too good at goodbyes. No way that you see me cry. I'm way too good at goodbyes. Yeah, Sam Smith, way too good at goodbyes. And on that, I say goodbye. Thanks for listening, and see you tomorrow. Please subscribe. Progress, not perfection, and just taking it day by day, trying to get better every day. That is the key. So thanks again, watching, like. See you tomorrow.